And the match is going to start in 3, 2, 1, crescendo! And starts off scoring 1, 2, 3.
We hit so many of our teammates. We didn't quite get it.
Pick up half.
There's another Yeah, hurry. Yeah. Are we getting that one in too, or what?
Get in the center, get in the center.
You got it?
Great.
I'm gonna pass and grab this. Pass and grab this.
That's good, 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 good.
Yeah, you're good. Good idea. Alright.
Amp 666.
No. I'll grab it.
Yeah, we're going to go. Our team is getting amp, so we want to go. There's only 2. Nice.
How do you hit us?
Amp or go amp? Oh, no, they're going amp. Alright, the next one's going to be amplified. They have 2. Good.
Nice. Go for amp.
No, they want us to wait until. Tell us when. They want us to wait.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it?
What am I doing?
Amp.
I'm gonna speak it out too close.
You got it?
Yeah, amp it.
Amp after. Yeah. Alright,
Everything else is speaker from here on out.
Yeah, it's gonna be amplified.
Yes. Give it the freebie. Give it the freebie.
Nice. Alright, 30 seconds. We get one more.
Yeah. Just speaker.
Last cycle. Go get that one, yeah. Alright, speaker and then climb. No matter when we climb.
We have plenty of time.
Do another.
It's not with it. We're winning.
Let him get the.
Get it. Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice. Hey, great match.
All the cameras fell.
Hi, Peter. How you doing?
Oh wait, the match is still going?
We did what we wanted.
Bye, Peter.
The Blue Alliance taking the match 94-67. New high score for Aerospace Valley Regional.